oku okwatandikira izoba kwayitabwamu abantu abari kurenga muri 150 kandi muri aba harimo eminyeto abakazi utireho n'abebembezi ahandengo zitari zimwe na zimwe abanyishenjero kandi ababagenderire okubasa kuronda emiringo eyo kumaraho obuvuyo oburi kuba buri omukaruru na mnonga twigirira karuru akenkumi 2026.
So I invite you to specific reflection for the region. We suffer a number of challenges, not only what KRC is dealing with in terms of objectives of this meeting today. We have many other issues that we deal with as a region besides malnutrition, besides peace. There's a lot of gender-based violence.
Betty Mujungu ori deputy mayor wa Fort Poto yahiga bebembezi abayetaba omurutera noru okora hamwe kwenangu echanga kibaseganyuramu.
We cannot work alone as Fort Poto City. Someone just said something that where did the rain start beating us, or where did it start? That what happened? And I told here, the member of parliament, that politics happened.
Beatrice Chiraso owabireho omnyishenjero ahabwa Kabarore district kandi obwahati ori chairperson wa body eya KRC Uganda nagirangu obuvuyo oburi kukira kubaho omuchanga ombwire bw'obururu obumwe nibuba butineka kwate na nebyo butegeki.
Jointly harness efforts that deter and manage conflict, malnutrition and stuntedness among the children at household and community levels.
That when you assess children 3 years and below in Rwenzori and Kigezi, 40% are stunted.
Dr. Crispus Chionga ori chancellor wa Makerere University kandi waburi omugambi mukuru nagirango shonge nyingi niziretora abakaza binja bari kuzara abakiri bato omucangeki okurugirira ahariwe abakaza binja bari kuzara abakiri bato niba batine miringwe ndijo yona eyo kubasa kukuza abana babo.
Many of the mothers may be all over Uganda, but certainly in this area, in my village, in where many mothers are young in age. Recently, I had a meeting in my village. I had called young people. When I came, I saw some carrying babies. So I thought these were ayahs, they were carrying somebody else's baby. So I said, you, whose baby are you carrying? This is mine. They asked, how old are you? 27 years. How many children do you have? 7. And with no means, when you see where she lives.
Kwenda kumaraho ekizibe eki Chionga nagirangwe cyanga chemerire kurebera aha bintu ebibashemerire gukora ebiraletera entasi z'amakagabo okubasa kweyongera. Chionga nagirangu okuhinga ebintu birimo mwani amajani kokoa ngo muchanga nibija kweraho ahakubasa kureba ngo abantu bayongeza ahantasi yabo.
But if we guide the people so that cocoa is planted alone, not with other crops, in a calculated way, it will be overwhelmed, then you destroy food. But as a region, I think cocoa is one of our crops. Then even the Congo people are bringing cocoa here.
Omuripoti eyakozirwe aba KRC omwaka ogw'2021 bakashanga ngu obw'umucero obwingi bukaba buri omuri Kasese aho abantu nyamwingi babire bino butikirizingana ahanshonga y'amataka no kuba kwasa kugakoraho otireho ebintu biri kwija bakuru b'amaka baheza kufa rero nabwanyuma obw'umucero bukatandika. Amakaraga gashakwa Justin Nyakaisiki ahabwa Sky TV omuri Fort Poto.